welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a breakable heart with some chocolate covered strawberries. We're going to start off by melting our chocolate and adding a little bit of shortening. This is going to help melt our chocolate faster. You're going to want to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, mix it, and then put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Take it out and then give it a little mix again. I added some shortening. I have shortening in a little like bowl. As you guys can see in the clip, I melted that and I added it directly to the chocolate. I didn't want to keep putting my chocolate in the microwave because if you put it in for too long, your chocolate will mess up. It will harden and you won't be able to fix it. So after I added the shortening, I mixed it, and then I added it back for 15 seconds and mixed it, and this is what I got. Now we're going to add our chocolate into our mold. I got my mold off of Amazon, but I think Shein has it as well. You're gonna want to shake your mold to make sure that the entire mold is filled with chocolate. Make sure you get every single piece, because if you miss a spot when you go to take your chocolate off of the mold, your heart will break, and we don't want that. Make sure to take the remaining chocolate off so it's not too hard. I missed a spot, so I just went with a spoon and covered it up. Make sure to take the remaining chocolate off from the edges, because it's easier for when you go to take it off of the mold. I put mine in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna take our strawberries and make sure to always wash your berries so they're nice and fresh. For this chocolate, he wanted it with 6 strawberries, so I put them in a plate and I washed them, and then I grabbed napkins. Make sure they are completely dry, otherwise the chocolate will not stick onto your strawberries. After you've placed your strawberries onto a sheet or a plate, I like to grab these sticks to put on my strawberries, therefore I won't get my fingers dirty with chocolate or anything. And it's pretty easier to use the sticks. You don't have to, but I prefer to. It's easier for me. After you put all of the sticks onto your strawberries, you start dipping your strawberries into the chocolate. Also, I forgot to mention that I like to put my little strawberry hairs or strawberry leaves. I like to twist them so they're up, so when I dip them into the chocolate, they don't get stuck to the chocolate, if that makes sense. Just like the cake pops on my previous videos, I also scrape my strawberries just to make sure that they don't get that extra chocolate when I place them down. If you haven't watched my cake pop video, it's the previous video, make sure to go check that out. Next, we're gonna grab a Ziploc bag and cut a little hole into it. You could use a piping bag with a small tip. That's what I normally use, but in this case I couldn't find mine, so a Ziploc bag works great. Add your chocolate into the bag and always test your chocolate to make sure it's coming out the way you want it to, and then just start adding the lines to your strawberries. I recommend that you do your lines fast, just to make sure that your chocolate doesn't get hard in the middle of you doing your lines. Now, while we let our strawberries dry, we're gonna take our heart out of the freezer and we're just gonna add chocolate around the entire mold just to make sure that it's hard enough for when we take it out. And then just pop it back in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to get our cupcake cups and we're going to place our strawberries on there and just set them to the side while we do the heart. Now for the chocolate, pull the mold away from the chocolate. Be careful with this part because you don't want your chocolate to break. And then just put your hand inside of the heart and just take the mold off. It's pretty simple, but just got to be careful with it. This is the box that I'm going to be using for this order. I got the box and the shredded paper from Dollar Tree. He wanted a paper that said, "Do you want to be my girlfriend?" I always add some chocolates and candy to my boxes, so I added that and I added the paper. I added my 6 strawberries and I added a hammer I got these little hammers from Amazon as well, and then I added some string to it. With a pair of scissors, I just curled it up. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss when I post. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.